shoot us like a favorite song. Open your battery, I can establish the fuckers been leaking on fast and whatever. Stop us, the batches of breaching the core, that's the feat, that's the tribute. With swimming and catch a body, y'all gonna fit without precision. But when I aim, when I blow to the brain, that's just a lack of inhibition. Ultraviolet stains cover all your favorite tissue. What you beg for? You fucking beg for.
Rush up in this tomato. You a puppet, I'm the animal. You don't own my title. You don't own me shit, you fuck. Blockade, pig scrimming through the blockade. Ain't you just a bitch, so fucking quit it. You ain't nothing, scoped out. Downtown in the crawl space, armed up, chunking on my memory the Broadway. Radiation path, think of radiated dash. Gonna make him take the meds, he a mitigated mess. Red dot so blocked out, radar in the map. Fuck, I got no stop, couple days and make a burn. Lunch for septic, girl called, she want more sex. New warhead, make a world stop. My beaches hunt the far reaches, fucks is not even. I'm about to make the scrap pop. Magazine busted, your room getting buried with your magazine spun. Defcon, this a tragedy, fuck. Don't let the death deceive her, cause you actually suck. Love crafting these lines, they deafen me up. Rush up in this tomato. You a puppet, I'm the animal. You don't own my title. You don't own me shit, you fuck.
Calm down, it's not the end of the world.
3, 2, 1, go!
NANI?! Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker!
Oh shit, here we go again.
Иди нахуй, твою мать, ебать.
Съемка видео запрещена, блядь. Камеру вырубай нахуй.
Бля, ну я вот так и знал, сука.
Блять, Пулю, ты понимаешь, он сейчас даже не понимает, что у него сейчас чистая, блядь, зуб ряд слетит нахуй. Ай, бля. А давай ему обмен кину, Он принял. Стоп, нахуй, долбоёб.
Он, короче, бежит, а прикинь, а за ним моделька бежит вторая.
Да.
Видели такое вообще?
Миша, а ну-ка покричи.
О, заебись, как будто спокойно разговариваешь.
Как только заходит Суиgetsu на стрим, все, пацаны, можете, бля, это. Можно просто, блядь, переодеваться в деф и все, и пиздец.
Tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with this Beretta. I've just been so fed up. My mama said I'm acting kinda different. It's probably all the shit that I've been missing. I don't tell nobody cause I don't do any bitching. Cause that's when all these niggas catch you slipping. Hope I find the truth while I'm alive. Before I fucking die. Before I say goodbye. Before they tell me all the shit I did was just a lie. This really ain't my motherfucking life. Taking out this notebook every day. Writing down my feelings cause it makes me feel okay. Promised you I'd take you from that life you living now. But then we hit the ground, They say that they killers, they just pussy niggas. We running down your villas. No, they probably looking, cause they know that I'm cooking. That's probably what they took in. I wish I told you all that's in my head. Instead, I lay you on this motherfucking bed. Correct, I don't give a fuck what you expect. So put your fucking pride to rest. I saw you pop that, now you moving so slow. Pull up on me, tell me bitch where you wanna go. It's 3 a.m. and you riding me on the motherfucking floor. 6 a.m. and you telling me that you wanted some more. Okay, I'm getting older and I'm losing some friends. Thought they was my niggas but they don't make no sense. When you find out what you fucked up, don't be texting my phone. I like it better when you